Flat Roof Membrane Integrity Testing and Roof Leak Detection. Bedford. Imagine coming into a leaking roof, water dripping onto your warehouse, factory or office floor, disrupting your business operations. Don't let this nightmare become your reality. Our team of experienced professionals uses non-destructive methods to accurately pinpoint leaks, boasting a 99% success rate. We offer comprehensive surveys and inspections for both new and existing commercial flat roofs, ensuring flawless installation and early detection of potential issues. Our state-of-the-art technology, including drone inspections, electronic leak detection and thermal imaging, provides detailed and precise assessments, leaving no part of your roof unchecked. We adhere to the highest standards set by LABC, Premier Guarantee, and NHBC, ensuring your roof meets all necessary specifications. Our services include flat roof membrane integrity testing, leak detection, and regular inspections to maintain the integrity of your waterproofing membrane. Operating from Bedford, we extend our services throughout the UK, delivering exceptional service and ensuring your roof's integrity. Don't wait for a leak to cause damage. Contact us today to protect your roof, protect your business. For a free consultation and testing plan, call 03330 411012.